Pooja, and I am delighted to welcome you to an extraordinary and unmissable episode of Sailor Today TV. When we think of anyone in the area of life who is achieving something beyond the ordinary, we will see that they are doing work they are truly passionate about. The bottom line is that when we do work that matters to us, it will matter to other people too. Life is too valuable and too short to let it go by. So let's celebrate every single moment we have. Here, we've captured every single moment of celebration, success, achievement, and euphoria at the 15th Sailor Today Seashore Awards 2016, which was held on the 12th of March in Mumbai. With more than 2,000 high-profile guests from the shipping industry worldwide, as well as the who's who from among the celebrities in the glamorous world of Bollywood, and a fully packed house, the spectacular awards night was truly an unmissable and unforgettable experience. Here are the exclusive highlights especially for you.
Captain Sunil Nangia, Mrs. Sangeeta Nangia, the team of Sailors Today and the Beacon Publications, distinguished invitees, the various award winners, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone. At the outset, my sense of gratitude to Captain Sunil Nangia in particular for the very kind invite extended to me to be here amidst all of you this evening. And may I also avail this occasion to extend my warm greetings and compliments to all of you, in particular the extremely deserving and worthy winners. On the Sailors Awards, this is the Seashore Award. I believe it's the 15th edition. I've had the privilege of being associated with this for the last 2 odd years. And I must testify to the fact that it's getting increasingly better by the year. The glamour quotient is truly incredible. I sometimes wonder as to what the typical bureaucrats and all of you sailors live in an extremely drab environment. But I think if this sizzles it up in terms of the glam quotient, the razzmatazz, the sheer razzle-dazzle, I think so be it. More power to Captain Nangia and his team. May you take this to the next level.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our great honor to celebrate 25 glorious years of Sailor Today with you. Presenting the 15th Sailor Today Seashore Award 2016 for a lifetime of achievement to Mr. Kishore Rajvanshi. We are honored to present the most memorable and cherished moments of his life's journey and the wonderful people who have been a part of this voyage.
Kishore Rajvanshi has been a true partner and a friend since we established fleet management in 1994.
He is also incredibly dedicated and enthusiastic about the maritime industry.
Mr. Rajvanshi, brilliant, great motivator.
Mr. Rajvanshi is a person who believes in perfection.
I see him as a great mentor, an amazing leader.
He has been a role model for any generation. He is an inspiration by himself on the subject of ship management.
Admire Mr. Rajvanshi for his grit and his determination in building up Fleet Management Limited.
Deserved honor for you. I can think of no one who is harder working, smarter, or wiser, or more deserving.
A thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Kishore Rajvanshi and Mrs. Shashi Rajvanshi. Sir, ma'am, we are truly honored to present the most coveted 15th Sailor Today Seashore Award for a lifetime of achievement. Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Rajvanshi. Believe me, this is just the beginning. Many, many more such to come. Trust me. Congratulations once again.
Wow. Maybe have a few words from you, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to receive this respect in the midst of loved ones and the industry icons, I would like to thank very much Sailor Today for thinking about the work I have done and my life's contribution to the shipping industry and bestowing on me this recognition. It truly makes me feel humble getting this honor. The past 47 years has been an incredible journey for me, as it brought me from a small town in Rajasthan to the frontiers of international ship management arena. Like most of us who have joined sea, my entry into the shipping, actually I was thrust into the shipping by chance. And it was through an accidental application which I made in 1970 to Shipping Corporation of India for a job. Having spent 8 years at Shipping Corporation of India, and then subsequently 15 years at Univan, in November 1994, I established Ship Management Limited. Less than 21 years later, that is today, Fleet is recognized as the third largest ship management company in the world. It's the second largest operator of bulk carriers and the fourth largest manager for tankers. Fleet today manages a diversified fleet of ships of 400 ships valued at collectively more than 15 billion US dollars. It employs 12,000 seafarers on the ships and 700 personnel in shore-based offices. And these offices are located in 22 cities across 12 countries. In the midst of all this, what's most heartening for me is to see that the core team of people which I had put together in the first 5 years of operation has still stayed with me, and they work with me by my side. And some of them, I'm so happy that they are here this evening with me. I would like to thank each one of them for burning midnight oil and helping me to build this company ship by ship. If given a chance, would I do it any differently? That is, would Lord Varuna allow me to do? Would I? The answer is a firm no. Because every initiative which I have taken has led to the new discoveries and the new findings which has helped me to achieve what I have. To conclude, I would like to thank Sailor Today once again for its 25th anniversary, and also my best wishes to Captain Nangia's father on his 90th birthday. And I wish him good health and happiness for the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for MSC Ship Management, the Ship Manager of the Year. With great pleasure, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Prabhat Jha, Mrs. Neeta Jha, and Captain M.P. Bhasin to come on stage to receive this very coveted award.
Thank you, Sailor Today. Thank you, Captain Nangia. Thank you, Madam Nangia, for another memorable event. And also, we'd like to extend our warm wishes for the Senior Nangia's 90th birthday. It's always a pleasure for us to be here, and we are very happy to receive this award another year. And we dedicate this to all our seafarers working on board the ships and the excellent team that we have in India. Thank you, Sailor Today, once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 15th Sailor Today Seashore Awards 2016 for Seafarer Welfare is Union Marine Management Services. May I call upon Mr. Vinay Gupta to please come on stage to accept this much coveted award.
We would love to hear a few words from you.
Good evening. It's such an honor. Thank you so much. Happy Ships was a concept that we envisioned about 4 years back when we started this company. Today, the jury of Sailor Today made us feel that we were on the right track. We are on the right track. Thank you so much. I'm speechless, but yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for Most Innovative Coastal Operator is Link Shipping and Management Services, who are now running Ro-Ro service between Adani Hazira and New Mangalore Port. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Inviting Captain S.P. Rao to please join us on stage to receive this prestigious award.
Congratulations, and a few words from you, please.
I'm proud being part of the Association of Coastal Confederation. But this prize is not me who is receiving. This is Captain Kamath. Today he is not being here. He has asked me to represent him on behalf of Coastal Conference, and I'm receiving this prize. Thanks a lot to Sailor Today. Thank you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
We take pride in awarding, encouraging, and motivating this unique skill. Entrepreneurs are a nation's treasure, and with his global contribution in the field of simulation, our winner truly deserves to be widely acknowledged.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Entrepreneur of the Year is the simulation genius of our nation, Mr. Shravan Rewari, son of late Captain SSS Rewari and Mrs. Amarjeet Rewari, living up to his name, Shravan in the true sense. We'd like to invite his dear mother, Mrs. Rewari, to come up on stage to accept the award on his behalf.
A few words from you, please.
It's an honor to be here. It's a very, very special moment for me. I've always been proud of being a seafarer's wife and a seafarer's mother, and being associated with seafarers over 50 years. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
And the association that walked that extra mile to make things happen is none other than the National Union of Seafarers of India, popularly called NUSI.
Requesting Mr. Abdul Ghani Sarang to please join us on stage.
It's a pleasure. Let me take this award on behalf of my whole team. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Pooja. It was wonderful having you. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great time. Enjoy this performance showcasing one of the best known faces on Indian television, Ridhima Tiwari.
Woohoo!
What it do, baby?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for the longest serving service in a shipping company, and the winner is Ms. Sunita Kotian. Please join us on stage. Congratulations, ma'am. Please, if you could have a few words from you.
I am extremely honored to receive this award from Sailor Today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the winner yet again for creation of maximum number of awards, number of jobs, for seafarers in 2015, the Anglo-Eastern Union Group. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Captain Vinay Singh. Can we have the other presenters also, please, if you could move a little forward with our winners.
Thanks, Sailor Today. Thanks for this honor. And we'd like to thank the belief of our clients. That's why we are here. And above all, the support of our seafarers. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to call upon stage Ms. Suniti Bala, winner of the Exemplary Woman of Substance Award. Please put your hands together as we welcome her on stage to receive this award.
Big congratulations, ma'am. We'd love to hear from you. A few words.
Thank you, Sailor Today. It's an honor, definitely, especially 4 days after International Women's Day. And nevertheless, I would definitely like to thank my all seniors who have been there through my high seas and who guided me. Thanks a lot.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the winner of Exemplary Personal Achievement Award, Captain Fathat Imam. Inviting Captain Imam to please join us on stage.
Thank you very much to Sailor Today. Thank you to Mr. Captain Nangia and his excellent team. What a wonderful event. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a standing ovation for these brave hearts, inviting Mr. Hanif Modak, proud son of late Captain Ibrahim Modak, to please join us to receive this most deserving award. Thank you.
Abhay, please join us in the picture, Remy. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Congratulations to Sailor Today on their silver anniversary. Thank you so very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the most charming and flamboyant Captain Rajesh Deshwal, another name for panache and poise.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. and Captain Nangia, the Sailor Today team, all the sponsors for recognizing the efforts of my company, Darya Ship Management, and honoring me with this wonderful, motivating award. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Truly a pleasure and honor having you with us here. Thank you.
Thank you for this award, Sailor Today, the jury, and accepting this award on behalf of the team. They deserve it because they managed to get the seafarers on time, find them, and thank you everyone. Have a good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. A huge round of applause.
Congratulations to each of these living legends who have entered the Sailor Today Awards Hall of Fame. Each winner is extraordinary, unique, and gifted. And it was indeed an honor to be part of their special moments, their trials and tribulations, as they shared their personal life and work experiences with us. We look forward to celebrating many more such precious lives in the years to come. Till we meet again in another episode of Sailor Today TV, keep smiling